Hello. If you're anything like me, then you definitely have on your Instagram, on your Pinterest app, so many photos that you've saved up that you want to do. For me, I think I even have a folder on my phone where I save those screenshots of all the cakes that I want to do, all the inspo photos where I see fellow bakers, the cakes they've made, and then I've fallen in love with the design. And I've saved it hoping for a client to one day come and order for such a cake. But in the moment, we are currently in September, business has been a little bit low. So I was like, instead of waiting for these orders to come, why not just sit down and decorate some cakes or dummies? That way I can just do it before I get an order, because some of these screenshots I've had them since like 2022, 2021 maybe. So I keep waiting for an order to come, and sometimes when the client says you have free reign, freedom to do what you want, I never remember to like do those exact ones, or in the moment, depending on the age of the person receiving the cake or the gender, I never get to decide, like to pick out from my Pinterest saves. So I end up having to take other different cakes to do. So for now, like this entire month of September, I've been having this idea in my head that maybe, just maybe, instead of waiting for these orders to come, considering I see it all the time on, and yeah, Instagram mainly, on Reels, where bakers have like what's it called? A content cake. So a cake you make and just keep decorating, peeling off the cream and decorating again and again and again. Some I've seen keep the cakes for up to 9 months, but personally, I decided I wouldn't do that. Initially, my thought process was to make on styrofoam dummies, but honestly, I hate cleaning up dummies and I hate decorating dummies because they have no weight. So I figured, let me just do like regular cakes, then find the designs I want to do. Like I made 3 cakes, so decided the designs that I want to do, my screenshots for the tall cakes will go on one cake, for the kind of tall. So the designs, basically, I have cakes for them. So that's what I opted to do. So I filled the cakes like I normally would, as if they're for clients, and then now I'll just keep throughout a period of I don't know how many weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. My goal is to make 30 cakes or 30 cake decos in that time frame, because initially my plan was to do 30 designs in 30 days, but then for you guys that's what will be up, 30 designs in 30 days, but for me it will be maybe 2 or 3 or 4 weeks of doing the designs, because honestly sometimes I have no orders, sometimes I have no plans in life like to do anything, so I'm just home. I can decorate 2 or 3 designs, but not every day am I in the mood to decorate, not every day am I in the mood or free, so I might not be able to do it every single day, plus I have to edit the videos. So I opted to just whenever I can film, and whenever I'm able, edit. So basically that's the goal. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the entire month of October, since for you guys you're watching this on October 1st, so from October 2nd to October 31st, I am hoping to have a cake design every single day posted on my YouTube channel. And yes, so I hope you really enjoy the series, and I hope it inspires you to actually, like, instead of waiting for the orders to come, to do the design yourself. Because for me, my main goal for doing those 30 designs is, instead of waiting for these clients to come and order for those designs, one thing I know for sure is clients who go on my page to pick out the design that they want usually pick something I've already done. So these screenshots that I have, although some I've done like years ago, like 2017, these designs that I've picked out, I want them to be like fresh up here, so that when a client comes to the page, they can pick out what they'd really like to do, instead of me waiting and hoping that one day someone will pick out this design that's in my screenshots and order. Because like there's one cake I've wanted to do since like December last year, And till now, we're literally 2 days into October, and not a single person has ordered for that cake design. Not a single thought, like no one has. Even when I send it as an inspo, it doesn't end up being picked. So I was like, I'm just going to have to do it for myself and then just scrape off. And in case you're wondering what will happen to my content cakes, I personally, the way I know myself, I'm not going to keep the cake for months. So once I'm tired with the cake, I'm just going to scrape off the cream, I think, and just cut the cake into slices, and we're going to eat it at home, or I'll just share with friends or people around me. So yeah, so I really do hope you enjoy the series, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.